What's up? In this video, we're going to go over the cut. If you haven't done so already, be sure to check out our Baby Scratch series because it covers the basics of how to count music. That way you'll be familiar with what we're about to cover. In our last series, we covered the drop, which is similar to the cut. Like the drop, we are going to start by releasing the record, but this time we are going to close the crossfader just before we pull back to the start of the sample. Closing the fader before the pullback eliminates the sound of the backward stroke.
1, 1, 1, 1.
Now that you know how to execute a cut, let's count it off and get started. The tempo is at 85 beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 1.
We're going to play that rhythm one more time, but this time I'm going to walk you through it. We are going to release on beat 1, close the fader, and pull back on beat 2. Release on beat 3, close the fader, and pull back on beat 4. Then, in the second measure, we are going to baby scratch 4 quarter notes. Let me do that one more time.
1, 1.
Now that you know what to do, it's time to count it off. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 1.
Let's play that rhythm again, but this time we're going to play it 2 times for a total of 4 measures. Those that have been with us from the start, I'm pretty sure already know this, but I'm going to be on the safe side and say it anyway. It may take a little bit of time to execute clean cuts, but like with everything else we've covered thus far, with practice it will work itself out over time. Alright? Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 1. 1, 1.
Let's take a look at the third example, but before we start, let's break it down so you can have an idea as to how the example is to be played. In the first measure, we are going to baby scratch 4 quarter notes. In the second measure, we are going to release on beat 1, cut on beat 2, then baby scratch beat 3 and beat 4. We're going to play this 2 times for a total of 4 measures. Alright? Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
1.
Let's move on to the fourth example. Before we start, let's break it down again so you know how the example is to be played. In the first measure, we're going to baby scratch 4 quarter notes. In the second measure, we're going to release on beat 1, cut on beat 2, then baby scratch beat 3 and beat 4. We're going to play this 4 times for a total of 8 measures. Alright? Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4.
1. 1. 1. One.
Thanks for watching. I hope that you were able to get a lot out of this video. For extended lessons, be sure to check out our premium content at scratchingmadeeasy.com. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. See you next time. Peace.